As per the kind of the most recent information accumulated, the exceptionally current cost of Aptos certainly is $3.68, and well suited in every practical sense, is by and by essentially positioned no in an unobtrusive manner. 68 in the whole crypto biological system in a really significant manner. The dissemination supply of Aptos fundamentally is 130 million able, with a market cap of $477,766,927.65 in an unpretentious manner. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has especially diminished by 6 cents in its in every practical sense current worth, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Aptos sort of is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins in a huge manner. Able in a real sense has fallen by practically 8.5% in the very most recent 7 days in an especially enormous manner, with worries about the related dangers strengthening in the essentially past especially couple of days. We don't especially figure the coin would sort of be a productive resource in the for the most part present moment, despite the fact that it could have areas of strength for really, which certainly is genuinely critical. Inside the genuinely last month, the cost of Able has explicitly diminished by 15.22%, disposing of an incredible in every practical sense, normal amount of 56 cents from its especially current worth, or so they certainly thought. This unexpected drop fundamentally implies that the coin in every practical sense is in a plunge at the present time, so it can commonly be a kind of good purchasing and open door for speedy interest in an unobtrusive manner. Aptos value forecast 2023 in a by and large significant manner. After the examination of the costs of Aptos in earlier years, it for the most part is expected that in 2023, the extremely least cost of Aptos will in every practical sense be around $6.86, which explicitly is genuinely huge. The sort of greatest expected Able cost may in a real sense be around $8.27 in a huge manner. By and large, the exchanging cost could explicitly be $7.05 in 2023. Aptos value forecast 2024. By and large, in spite of mainstream thinking, in view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Aptos, in 2024, well suited for the most part is supposed to have the accompanying exceptionally least and certainly greatest cost, about $9.70 and $12.19. Separately, or so they explicitly thought, as a matter of fact, the typical expected exchanging cost explicitly is $10.05 in an extremely large manner. Aptos value expectation 2025, which really is genuinely critical. The specialists in the field of digital currency especially have examined the costs of Aptos and their vacillations during the earlier years, which basically is very critical. It is expected that in 2025, the kind of least able cost could drop to $12.87, while its truly greatest can generally reach $16.75 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Overall, the exchanging cost will basically be around $13.38, or so they thought. Aptos value expectation 2026 in an all things considered, enormous way. In view of the examination of the expenses of Aptos by crypto specialists, the accompanying truly greatest and sort of least able costs sort of are normal in 2026, $23.36 and $19.54, exhibiting how Aptos value expectation 2025, which by and large is genuinely critical. By and large, it will essentially be exchanged at $20.21 in a sort of significant manner. Aptos value expectation 2027, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of Aptos, showing that by and large, the exchanging cost could really be $7.05 in 2023. In view of their expectations, the assessed exceptionally normal adept cost will in every way that really matters be around $29.64, or so they thought. It could drop to a genuinely least of $28.63, yet it actually could essentially reach $33.80 all through 2027 in a quite huge manner. Aptos value expectation 2028, which especially is genuinely critical. Consistently, digital money specialists basically get ready gauges at the cost of Aptos, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. It explicitly is assessed that adept will truly be exchanged somewhere in the range of $41.06 and $50.22 in 2028, or so they explicitly thought. Its sort of typical expense especially is normal at around $42.24 during the year, exhibiting that crypto specialists basically are continually examining the variances of Aptos, showing that by and large, the exchanging cost could for the most part be $7.05 in 2023 amazingly. Aptos value forecast 2029 in a significant manner. Cryptographic money investigators in a real sense are genuinely prepared to sort of declare their assessments of the Aptos cost or so they generally thought. The year 2029 not entirely settled by the greatest stable cost of $71.68 in an unobtrusive manner. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $61.68 in a kind of large manner. In this way, the normal for the most part normal exchanging cost explicitly is $63.79, which by and large is very critical. Aptos Value Expectation 2030, exhibiting how notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $61.68 in an unobtrusive manner, following quite a while of examination of the Aptos cost. Crypto specialists generally are in every practical sense prepared to give their well-suited cost assessment to 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. Most certainly, it will in every practical sense be exchanged for no less than $85.75, with the genuinely conceivable pretty greatest tops at $106.10 in an unobtrusive manner. Overall, you can anticipate that the adept cost should be around $88.30 in 2030, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Aptos Value Expectation 2031, which certainly is genuinely critical. Cryptographic money experts are truly prepared to basically declare their assessments of the Aptos cost, which generally is very critical. The year 2031 not set in stone by the genuinely greatest stable cost of $149.50, which explicitly is genuinely huge. In any case, its rate could drop to around $126.38, exhibiting that in view of their forecast, the assessed genuinely normal able cost will truly be around $29.64, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Thus, the extremely normal exchanging cost explicitly is $130.80 in a significant manner. Aptos cost presently, exhibiting how Aptos cost now in an unobtrusive manner. At this point, Aptos cost is $3.68 with Aptos market capitalization of $478,662,767.20. By and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is Aptos a wise speculation, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking? Taking into account pretty current negative pattern in Aptos cost developments, it really is normal the cryptographic money will in every practical sense keep meeting cost decline, which especially shows that the especially most extreme expected well-suited cost may fundamentally be around $8.27. Kindly, especially contribute carefully and don't generally neglect to DYOR while putting resources into a resource. Might Aptos at any point ascend in a genuinely significant manner? It appears to be that the especially normal cost of Aptos could especially reach $3.93 toward the year's end, exhibiting the way in which the flow supply of Aptos truly is 130 million able, with a market cap of $477,766,927.65 in an unpretentious manner. In 5-year plan point of view, the digital money could likely ascend up to $24.70 because of cost variances available. In a real sense, if it's not too much trouble,